Reduce spreadsheet dependency with spreadsheet integration. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides innovative spreadsheet integration capabilities that reduces spreadsheet dependency and duplication of information caused by unconnected spreadsheets throughout the manufacturing enterprise. Spreadsheet integration starts with the capability to link dynamic information from your various spreadsheets to share with the manufacturing enterprise. This includes a bidirectional information between your spreadsheets and an engineering and manufacturing data warehouse. This process helps reduce spreadsheet dependency with the exchange of accurate information between your mission-critical spreadsheets and the manufacturing enterprise. Global Edge integrates your unconnected spreadsheets with a centralized engineering and manufacturing data warehouse to help eliminate duplication of information and effort. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.